Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the construction of the JFET. Generally, JFETs are of two types. First one, the P-channel JFET. Second one is the N-channel JFET. We draw the construction of the JFET, a simple block diagram. Let us draw first the cross-sectional view of the JFET. So in this cross-sectional view, let us draw the cross-sectional view of the JFET. So in this cross-sectional view for the P-channel JFET, it will look like this. So there will be a P-type substrate like this, and there will also be a substrate here for the N-channel JFET like this. Now for P-channels JFET, substrate will be of P-type material, and for N-channel JFET, the substrate will be of type material. Now, within this P-type substrate, there is a region here which is highly doped N plus region, and similarly there will be another region of N plus highly doped. Now there will be some metal connection here. This is the metal connection that has been on the P-type substrate. So from this metal connection there will be a metal terminal. Similarly at the bottom there will be a metal connection like this, and from this metal connection there will be another terminal of this device. So this is the device right now, and there will be another metal connection on this N plus region like this, and there will be another metal connection here on the N plus region, and this metal connection will be connected in the back way like this to the metal connection on this. These two N plus region will be connected with each other from the backward way. So these are the three terminals of the device, and these three terminals of the device are denoted as, this is the source terminal, this will be the drain terminal, and this will be the gate terminal. This is the cross-sectional view of a P-channel JFET. Similarly, if we draw the cross-sectional view of an N-channel JFET, then at this case there will be a highly doped P plus region. Similarly, on the right hand side we will have a highly doped P plus region, and here we can have a metal connection here in this fashion. From this metal connection we will have a terminal like this. Similarly at the bottom there will be some metal connection, and this metal connection we have this. This will be the source terminal, and this will be the drain terminal, and The two P plus region will also be connected with each other using a metal layer. There will be some metal layer on the P plus region, and there will also be some metal layer on this P plus region. This is the metal layer here, and both of them are connected with each other in the back of the device like this. Terminal is the gate terminal. This is the cross-sectional view of the p-channel JFET and the cross-sectional view of the channel JFET. Now let us see what will be the 3D diagram, actual diagram of a JFET. For that, let us go to the next diagram. So suppose we are making a p-channel JFET. For this p-channel JFET, we have to take a substrate like this. This is a p substrate, and in this p substrate we have doped this region as ring fashion. This region has been doped in a ring fashion as N plus in a ring way. You can see the doping has been done from the all side of the substrate. Now this region is the metal layer, and this region is the metal layer. So this is the source terminal, and this will be the drain terminal, and the gate terminal will be, and the gate terminal will be here. If I connect here with the metal terminal like this, if I have a metal connection here, on this we will get a terminal. This will be called as the gate terminal. So this is the original structure of a p-channel JFET, and in the p-channel JFET or n-channel JFET, we can see that doping has been done from all the direction here. So there will be a ring-like doping region inside the device substrate. This is the ring-like doping region. You can see the doping region like this. This is the doping region of the device. So this is all about the construction of a junction field effect transistor. Thank you.